Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkerk Pro Air Invicta Pickleball Paddle. Known for its high-performance features, Selkerk's Pro Air Invicta Pickleball Paddle is a favorite among experienced players due to its solid feel and precision. The paddle generates plenty of power, especially for serves, making it easy to hit strong shots. It feels comfortable and well-balanced in our hands, allowing us to switch smoothly between forehand and backhand positions. The paddle offers great control and easy spin generation, too. During testing, we appreciated that the paddle's comfortable grip maintained its secure feel even when our hands were sweaty after hours of play. Its balanced weight also helped us avoid elbow strain. It holds up well against impact with the ball. After extended use, we didn't notice any dents, cracks, or other signs of damage. Thanks to its durable construction and high-quality materials, it feels like it will last for a long time. Number 2. Panel Sound Pickleball Paddles, set of 2. Best for someone just getting started with a sport who wants to explore their preferences without making a significant upfront investment. When you're new to any sport, it's impossible to know what works for you and what doesn't until you jump in. This set of 2 Panel Sound Pickleball Paddles is a low-stakes option for novice players looking to work on their game and identify which paddle features matter most to them. It also comes with 4 pickleballs, a carrying case, and towels. No additional accessories required. During testing, we enjoyed the lightweight paddle and its secure, comfortable grip so much that we played much longer than we intended to. We easily navigated our full range of motion and felt satisfied with the contact of each hit. We were also pleased that the grip suited smaller hands, and we ended each session without any elbow strain. What's more, a strong fiberglass face and polypropylene honeycomb core give this paddle great durability, with no signs of wear or chipping after extended use. Number 3. Selkerk SLK Halo Control XL Pickleball Paddle. Best for pickleball players who want a little extra control from their paddle as they work to fine-tune their shot placement. Calling all pickleball players who prioritize precision and finesse, Selkerk's SLK Halo Control XL Paddle is a must-try. Its smooth, slightly textured surface provides a very natural shot feel, helping us generate careful spin on the ball, and it's optimized for control with a larger sweet spot. The face of the paddle also strikes a balance of strength and flexibility, proving its durability throughout hours of gameplay with no signs of chipping, wear, or damage. As if our noticeable improvement in ball control with this paddle weren't enough, it's also extremely comfortable and easy to use. The grip is a standout feature, with an ergonomic design and just the right amount of tack to stay secure during longer, intense play sessions. It's surprisingly lightweight for its size, too, supporting our full range of motion, quick shot transfers, and smooth follow-throughs without any elbow strain or next-day soreness. Number 4. Pickleball Apes Proline Energy Pickleball Paddle. Best for experienced players who are focused on developing better spin and control of the ball while also appreciating a quality power shot. If better spin generation is what you're after, reach for Pickleball Apes Proline Energy Paddle. During testing, we found that its carbon fiber surface texture and elongated design did an excellent job of supporting top spin and powerful serves. The longer handle not only suits a wide range of hand sizes, but also provides additional maneuverability, making for quick and clean transitions between our forehand and backhand. With this paddle, we maintain our range of motion and never experience any soreness, aches, or pains in our wrists or arms, no matter how long we played. Its balanced weight eliminated potential elbow strain as well. Overall, the paddle is well built and really durable, looking like new even after hours of aggressive play. Number 5. Selkerk SLK Latitude Max Pickleball Paddle. Best for novice pickleball players looking for a comfortable paddle with a large sweet spot that's easy to use as they start working on their skills. Beginners who feel ready to step up their game should give Selkerk's SLK Latitude Max paddle a try. With a focus on comfort and ease of use, this paddle offers a solid mix of power and control for those still developing their skills. During testing, its elongated face felt forgiving when our shots were less than precise. And thanks to some raised texture along the handle, the comfortable grip remained secure even when our hands got sweaty. This paddle packs plenty of power, so we didn't need to put too much force into our swing to get the ball over the net. A potential perk for newer players. Despite its heftier feel, we could still flip between our forehand and backhand positions easily and enjoy our full range of motion without unwanted strain or soreness. Plus, it's sturdy and stable, further supporting control in our game. The paddle is clearly high quality and built to last, showing no signs of wear and tear as we played with it.